With the Smartsheet mobile app, you have real-time access to all your Smartsheet content directly from your mobile device, so you can maximize productivity on the go. Let's take a look at how to start using the Smartsheet mobile app. In the Home tab, you'll see Recents and Favorites. Quickly find recently visited and pinned items in Recents. Add important sheets, reports, and dashboards to Favorites. See all workspaces, folders, and items you own or are shared to in the Browse tab. Or use the search bar to easily find what you need. The Notifications tab allows you to catch up on all notifications, updates, and requests. To create a new sheet, you can either start from scratch or pick one of our templates and modify it. Add or update info, or use mobile device to capture barcodes, location, and photos from anywhere and add them directly to Smartsheet. In the Sheet menu, you can access other sheet options like sorting, attachments, conversations, and most importantly, changing views. There are 6 sheet views: Grid, Gantt, Card, Calendar, List, and Mobile, an optimized view for your mobile device. As you change views, your data will dynamically update so you can work the way you want. When your sheet is set up, share it with your team so you can start collaborating. And that's how to get started with the Smartsheet mobile app. To learn more, check out our Learning Center.